This 2024 Winnebago Roam 59RB is a Class B RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 19 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 2, smoke detector, spare tire kit, skylight, refrigerator, air conditioning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, water heater, and 12 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2024 Winnebago Roam 59RB is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.